Whether you're looking for the free cloud storage solution or unlimited cloud storage solution, or want to learn how to use cloud storage, I will cover all of that in this video. Hello creator, business owners, and team leaders. Welcome to Syncbricks. I'll be diving into one of the best cloud storage solution, which is ideal for everyone on this planet. Sync is one of the best cloud storage solution providers. Sync is more than just a file storage platform or a cloud drive. Sync is your versatile solution for all type of documents, whether it's a business report, creative projects, or cherished memories. Sync has you covered. This is why it's a top choice for creators who want to store their valuable work securely. It's not about your internal team, but your external partners can also collaborate seamlessly from any device, ensuring everyone stays on the same page. Let's see how does storage work with sync.com. Sign up for free. Once you sign up for free, you will get 5 GB of storage. So I'll be logging in with my user ID and password, which is sync@syncbricks.com. Here I can start uploading my files, choose your file, and whatever files are there, you can upload. And then in sharing, you can create the team sharing, or you can create the link. You can, of course, have free cloud storage up to 5 GB for lifetime. But is there any unlimited storage available? So if I show you what is the plan here, Pro Teams Plus Unlimited, which is an ultimate choice for your teams seeking unlimited storage, custom branding, or admin delegation. You will never hit that out of space barrier again. You can securely access your file from anywhere, making remote work and seamless work from home a reality. Your team members can work together on any project file. And for team managers and leaders, admin controls are here to simplify the management process. Add or remove users effortlessly as your team grows. Sync also comes with the cloud desktop application. We can see that sync.com, you will click on resources. So once you click on Sync for Windows, you can simply download the app. It's just 48 MB file, which you will download, and simple wizard will help you to install the application. Sync.com's integration with Windows File Explorer is a game changer in itself. Your computer space is never gobbled up with dormant files, giving you a room for your essential work. You can keep your files on the cloud if you don't need them frequently. And once you need them, you can simply download and start using it. Importantly, the Pro Teams Plus Unlimited plan offers a lower total cost of ownership. Sync shines brightly with its unlimited storage, productivity features, and cost efficiency. Even when compared to Dropbox, OneDrive, and Google Drive, it stands tall. These solutions have their strengths, but Sync.com's all-in-one approach sets it apart. Let's dive deeper into it and understand how we can use these features. The data available to me is unlimited. All my files which are available on Sync are available in this folder. I can also open Sync settings from my desktop. You can see here, this is Sync settings, preferences, and in case you want to change the password, you can do it from here. What is the default Sync folder? In case you want to directly open the web portal from here, you can do it. Directly open the folder on your computer, you can click here. So these are all the settings that are available here on the app. Here you can see these are all files available. So I can click here and share as a link. It will create an encrypted link, copy this link and provide it to the users whom I want to share with. Otherwise, this will send the link to email demo@syncbricks.com. It will immediately reach here, and here I can then download and I can give my comment and so on. So this way you can start sharing the files with others. And in case you want to do the link setting, for example, if you want to have an expiry date for the link, whether the link is view only and view and download only, or the email notification has to be disabled or enabled. So here, in case you want to set the password to open this particular file, if you want to set up the expiry date, at what particular date and time this link should expire, you can do that as well. Full control is there available with you. I'll go here to settings. So in my account, you can do the custom branding of your choice. Your brand, your logo, your color theme will be displayed over there.
And here I can go back here to devices. Sync is currently being used at, so all of the IP addresses and details I'll see here. The most important aspect is security. Right now, the two-factor authentication is disabled. So by clicking here, so I can enable two-factor authentication via Google Authenticator. You can enable the two-factor authentication via email, which is the easiest way. It will send you email. And then single sign-on. So if I enable this, which will directly log into the web portal from app. If I talk about Vault, it will allow you to free up the space by archiving your files in the cloud. You can move or copy any of your files or folder into the Vault. So I can also create from here. It will ask me that which type of file I want to create. So whether Word file, PowerPoint presentation, Excel file, or text file. So I can create any of the files. So it will remain available here. So it won't take my space in any of my device or desktop. Let me create the file from my phone. So the moment I refresh it, so the file is appearing here in my Vault. So this file is nowhere existing. It is not there on the phone. It is not there on the device, but this file is only on the cloud. In case I want to upload more files over here, so I can start adding all the files which I don't want on my desktop. So it might take some time to upload. The reason is because it is encrypting also at the same time when it is uploading. I can now delete this file from my desktop, so which will help to free up space. So you can create multiple folders here. So this is the benefit of Vault here. In Vault, you can put all your archive files, and in case you want to download, so you can simply click here and download this, or you can share the link with anyone who wants to use this file. If you go into sharing, you can see that you can share with the teams, or you can create the link. There are two links which are created. In case you want to delete this link, nobody will be able to access these files. So in case you want to give access to your team to centralize the folders, files, and manage them. For example, if I want to upload the videos and I want the team members to edit those, or any work that you use, we'll be creating a shared folder, and I'll be giving it a name called New Videos for Editing. And here I'll be choosing the user who is editor. So here I can give him view and edit access, and can share. Folder has been created and it has been shared. And here I click on users, so I'll get the list of users which are currently created. I'm logged in as an admin, and editor is also one of the users which is created. Right now 3 users access is enough for me, but in case you want to add more users, so you can purchase the users. Storage will always remain unlimited. And here you can define the roles also. So I have created a new role called Syncbricks editor. So the person can have view only access. I have forced the two-factor authentication on the first login, which ensures the maximum security to account. One important feature which I want to show you is in settings. If you go here to apps, this will help you to increase the productivity by linking your favorite applications to your Sync account. I can install the desktop app which is already installed, and here I can install it for Mac OS, Android, or iOS devices. I can see my Vault also there in the phone. I can also sync photos and videos directly from my phone to Vault. This will help me to keep all the backup. With the unlimited cloud storage, you don't need to worry about storage. In case you want to add more users to your team, Pro Teams Unlimited is the best choice. It will start with the minimum 3 users. It will give you unlimited storage space, administrator account, document previewing, file requests, sync cloud files on demand, and custom branding. Its own support is also available.
There are many cloud storage apps available, but if you are looking for solutions that enhances productivity, streamlines collaboration, and offers ample storage, go for Sync. Whether you are someone looking for the cloud storage for online backup, or content creator looking for the best cloud storage, Sync is the way forward. That concludes my deep dive into Sync. If you're looking to subscribe for Pro Teams Plus Unlimited plan, head over to the link which I have provided in the description to enjoy an exclusive discount offer, Pro Teams Plus Unlimited plan, which will help you to stay productive. If you like this video, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share the video with others to help this channel. See you in next video. Take care and goodbye.